The Galaxy S24 event took place yesterday, and apart from the stale phone's launch, there was some surprises with the teaser of the Galaxy Ring. And Samsung has copied Apple in many ways. One with the titanium frame, removing the curved screens altogether, and now they have copied one more unexpected feature, that is the always-on display, which is exact copy of iOS. When people on the always on display, you can see a new wallpaper. It took a moment to realize that they have not left it on screen. This is Samsung's new default always on display experience. Rather than use the standard black screen like you have in all other Samsung phones, One UI 6.1 is using an Apple like AOD, complete with muted colors and a backdrop of the lock screen. Not many people know that this feature will come as default, but when you dive into the settings menu, you will be delivered a new toggle which is not found in any Samsung phone. Toggling off show lock screen wallpaper quickly reverted back to black, but it is surprising to see Samsung shipping a feature, default experience on Samsung Galaxy S24, that was criticized by everyone on Apple, so that Apple had to give a toggle to turn off the screen so that it can be a proper always on display. But why Samsung is copying it after 18 months of the failed iPhone experiment? No idea, but this is actually a very bad thing. But it is a sweet addition to people who like the feature, but Samsung should actually inform about it. Samsung didn't mention it to anybody. It was only found by when people were testing the phone. But it is very sad.